Emotional Mindfulness 2024 by Adel Bautista. Feelings are not so straightforward discussions, especially at the core level. I believe in order to know oneself, to maneuver and deal with everyday life challenges, one needs to be mindful of the different emotions manifested in so many different ways. One part of this body of work is titled The Emotions. It's a quilt-like design where I am depicting fear, surprise, happiness, sadness, anger, and healthier. My artwork is based on my own life experiences and coping mechanisms to stay emotionally grounded, healthier, and continue to manage life's everyday challenges and successes. The intent of my photography is to help the viewer to see, feel, appreciate, be grateful, be engaged, and value life as it is at present time. The cape is for the viewer to try on and to acknowledge feelings at present time at this very moment. The other part of this new body of work is I refer to as seascapes. I chose the images as remembers and reminders. I always have at least 3 choices in any given situation. The majestic Pacific helps me to stay grounded, objective, reality-based, and puts me in my place. A simple being deserving of validation, love, and respect. I hope my artwork will promote discussions, self-analysis, introspections on the question, how am I feeling at this very moment? I will acknowledge my feelings.